Hi, so we are doing today SYJC admission partnership firm PDF page number 170 sum number 2 with step by step solution. So there are two partners, old partners, sharing ratio 3:2 respectively on 31st March 2017, and on 1st April 17 they admit Paresh, a new partner, with the following terms. Now in this chapter, in this sum, we have to prepare revaluation account, partners capital account, cash bank, goodwill, and the balance sheet with the respective lines I've mentioned. So starting with the sum, first we do the posting from the balance sheet. So we have two partners capital. So we record opening balance, partners capital credit side, by balance brought down. Also, we distribute this general reserve because reserves are subject to last year's profit, and the new partner does not have any impact on the general reserve. So this has to distribute in the old ratio with the old partners. So 3:2. So again, by partners capital credit side, by general reserve, we distribute 12,000 and 8,000, total 20,000 we distribute in the ratio, old ratio. Okay, so now we will post all the current liabilities and assets in the balance sheet with the book value in a column. So remember one thing, we will post everything in the inner column and will leave one line. So it will look like this. So here partners capital, creditors, cash, just write a name of the cash and don't write amount because we will prepare a cash ledger afterwards. Debtors, building, stock, machine, and the furniture with the inner column and one line leave. And opening balance of cash we record on the debit side, it's asset to balance brought down, that is 12,000 rupees. Now after this we'll start the adjustments. So we start with the second adjustment first. So you shall that Paresh shall have bring 20,000 on his capital as his capital and 1/4 share of the future profit. So bring in cash capital 20,000, cash account debit what comes in, and partners is a giver, so Paresh credit. So by cash account over we write over here, and the second effect cash debit to Paresh capital 20,000 rupees. Now the first adjustment, 16,000 goodwill लेके आ रहा है, so we shall pay 16,000 as a share of goodwill. So goodwill bring in cash. Now two entries, one is bring in cash and second is retain in the business. So first bring in cash, debit what comes in, so cash to goodwill, cash account debit to goodwill, goodwill mark credit, so by cash, and retain ka entry, so goodwill account debit in the sacrificing ratio. Now old ratio is the sacrificing ratio over here because new ratio is not given, and partners capital credit. The second half of this adjustment, 50% of the goodwill shall be withdrawn by the old partners. So 50% का मतलब whatever he retained, partners retained, उसका 50%. Now we pass the entry in the partners capital debit. So we'll pass partners capital account debit. So 50% of this and 50% of this. So to cash or cash के credit में we'll pass this entry. Now we finished so far first and second adjustment. Now for the third adjustment, there is a revaluation things, because for the purpose of the Paresh admission it was agreed that the assets would be revalued as under. So reval का मतलब होता है कि whatever the changes of the assets and liabilities as on date of the new partner get admitted. So A, land building is to be valued 60,000. Now the land value का reval value is given 60,000 and the book value is something land building का it is given 50,000. So there is a increase in assets, for example 10,000, right? So reval credit the incomes and gain, so we record over here credit side. And second thing, balance sheet, we add appreciate 10,000, so ultimate it is 60,000. Now plant and machinery is to be valued 16,000. So plant and value 16,000 over here, and plant and machinery ka value is given over here. Plant and machinery's value is given, that is 20,000. So 4,000 depreciate, reval debit 4,000 over here, and second effect we minus from the plant and machinery 4,000, so ultimate it will give 16,000. Third, stock valued 20,000. So stock का value दिया है 20,000 and stock over here is given, that is 16,000. So that is increased by 4,000. So again increase revaluation account credit side, and we add it to the stock appreciation 4,000, and that is 20,000. 16,000 plus 4,000, 20,000. Furniture and fixtures rupees 4,000. So this is the value of the furniture and fixtures. So 4,000, that's original value was 8,000. So again 4,000 depreciate. So we record on the revaluation account debit side, and again furniture में से minus, so 4,000 outer column. Adjustment number D, a provision of 5% RDD on the debtors. So this 5% will calculate on the debtors का value, that is 24,000 का 5% we minus from the debtors, and we write on the reval account debit side, that is 24,000 का 5% is 1,200, and we have to deduct from the debtors, we less from the debtors, so answer is 22,800. So we have finished all the adjustments. Now we shall close one by one. So step 1, that is we need to close the revaluation account, and whatever the profit and loss we find from this account will transfer to, always remember, old partners in the old ratio. New partner doesn't have any effect or any impact on this revaluation. So let's start with the revaluation closing. It looks credit side is heavier, so we make the total of the credit side, we record on the debit side, we minus all the debit values, so we are having right now the credit balance. That means we have a 4,800 surplus over here, and that we distribute to the old partners in the old ratio. We transfer to, again step number 2, that transfer to partners capital credit side. So we have to transfer over here by revaluation account partners capital credit side to respective old partners in the old ratio. Now we have to close partners capital, and we need to find respectively each of the partners balance. So let's close with the Paresh, first partner. So that Paresh ka 20,000, and again we're getting the balance of 20,000. Samir, again the credit is heavier, so you make the total of the Samir, and after minus deduct this 3,200, we are getting this amount 53,120. and the first partners का भी total हम लोग ने ML2 का मार दिया यहाँ पे 84,440, and after minus this 4,800 we have a balance of 79,680 to be transferred to the, now balance carried down, partners capital का balance आया, balance sheet liability side में we have to transfer. So the step number 4 is that transfer to balance sheet liability side. So write all the partners and the total of the final answer of the partners capital. And likewise we don't have any changes in the creditors also, so we just put over your dash over here and we write the again 10,000 the outer column as it is 10,000 because there are no changes in the sundry creditors. Now it's time to close the cash account right now. So we'll close the cash account and whatever balance we get it, we transfer to balance sheet asset side. So after getting this, the debit side is heavier, so we'll close this all these three total mark 48,000 and we minus this amount, so we'll have a balance of 48,000, so 40,000 sorry balance, and we transfer to that is balance sheet asset side, सीधा बाहर के column में outer column 40,000. So this is how we have finished everything over here. And step number 6, that is now tally the balance sheet and all assets must be equal, so we have to do this. And after totaling of the liability side, we are getting the answer of 1,62,800, as well on the asset side also the same answer. That means the balance sheet is telling. Okay, so this is how we complete the sum of admission. Thank you so much.